Hey, it's JJ, your trusted real estate advisor with the Sanchez team at Florida Realty Marketplace. You're probably wondering what I'm doing inside this not even finished yet income producing property. I'll tell you why. I have owners that had a property in another state. They sold that property and they made the decision to use a tax strategy known as a 1031 exchange. That 1031 exchange allows them to go ahead and sell, buy a new property that is similar to what they had before, and defer the capital gain taxes. In a few months, Rent a Florida Home is going to go ahead and rent out this wonderful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,600 square foot home at market rental rate. At that point, our owners will be thrilled to have a generational wealth producing property in their portfolio. Hit me up, let me know how I can help you as well. Take your old income producing property, turn it into a new generational wealth building product in your portfolio.